Hey guys, I'm Tim, and this week on The Joy of Moving, thought I wanted to show you how to add a little color to your adductor rocking. So, adductor rocking, well, let's start with the basics. Rocking is just getting on your hands and knees, rocking back and forth. One of the most phenomenal moves you can do just to feel good and to really just tie your body together. But we can do adductor rocking, which is just sticking a leg out like a kickstand and rocking back and forth here. Still phenomenal. We're activating our vestibular system, but now we're gently moving our hip while it's adducted away from the body, and it's lengthening and stretching, getting that nice, pleasant warming sensation in our adductors while we're rocking back and forth. Now, to add a little bit of color to this, we can add rotation. So what I'm gonna do is, as I rock forward, I'm going to internally rotate my leg and even rotate my head around over my left shoulder, and then I'm gonna rotate back and go back into rocking. So it's forward and rotate, and then back. So what happens is, feels pretty daggone good. That's what happens. So again, all we're doing is rocking forward and allowing, and you can do this without head rotation, where you just start to internally rotate that leg, and that feels good. But if you add head rotation, now we're getting the whole body to follow the head, and we get a little bit more internal rotation. We're able to get more internal rotation out of our hip, and our spine follows the movements of the eyes and the head. And then we come back to center and rock back. This is like butter. So again, adductor rocking is you have a kickstand with your leg out by the side, and you can rock back and forth, and that just feels good. But now to add color, we're gonna rotate with our eyes and our head over our shoulder. And we're gonna let this leg go in internal rotation. Really feels good. And now this leg here, the other leg, the one that is holding us up, as we rotate, it gets externally rotated a little bit. So I'll show you. So as I rotate this way, that leg goes into external rotation, and it comes back to internal rotation and squares up as we come back. Phenomenal movement that feels great through here. Great to lubricate and warm up the hips, to preserve the hips. It's how you keep your hips. Rocking itself is wonderful. Adductor rocking feels great and helps lengthen the adductors, but then adding that rotation, it's good stuff. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim. This is The Joy of Moving, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.